let's get started. So here I am crumbling up the field roast sausages into a ground-like texture. I'm going to start to transfer those hot, freshly boiled noodles onto that first layer of this lasagna. And our first layer is going to consist of this nice field roast ground consistency we made here. Lay it out very balanced along the corners, very even. Here we're adding our marinara sauce, mixing it in, nice and even. And then we're going to go straight to our fresh garlic, onto our mushrooms, nice and even. Onto our sweet bell peppers, red, yellow, and orange, nice and even. Feel free to use whatever color you'd like. And then we're onto our zucchini. Last ingredient for our first layer, nice and even and balanced. And then we're gonna get to seasoning. Season. It's the season for a great season. Let's season for the season. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Now it is divine time to add our cheese. Now that our cheese is all laid down, we're going to grab our noodles for our second layer. Lay them down flat next to each other. They can go horizontally or vertically. It is truly up to you. And here we are going in for our last layer, which I will run back for your pleasure. It is noodles, meat, sauce, garlic, mushrooms, bell peppers, zucchinis, and we're almost done here. We're just going to season that last layer with all of those same seasons we used before. We're gonna put in our last layer of cheese here. This is almost the last of your cheese if you have been evenly placing the cheese on your layers. I even broke them up into smaller pieces to fit into the areas where the whole piece of cheese couldn't. And then we're doing our last layer of lasagna noodles here. And here we are almost complete with our homemade vegan lasagna process. I've added my last bit of marinara sauce onto the top layer of lasagna noodles. I'm getting the sauce all into the crevices, all into the corners, smoothing it around. It's almost ready to be placed into our preheated oven at 350 degrees.